It's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. For today's video, I'll be making banana flitters. Yes, I'll be making banana flitters, guys. So nice, quick and simple. Delicious recipe. Very delicious. Okay. Quick and easy. Yes, y'all already know. Listen, this is a Jamaican classic. Okay? Banana flitters. You got the old, ripe, expired banana. You don't know what to do with it. I'm going to show you what you could do with it, okay? You don't have to throw it away. You don't have to waste your money, even though banana is cheaper. If you keep throwing it away, that money piles up. The money pile up. So I'm going to show y'all what to do. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification so you guys can know or get notified every time I post a video, okay? If you're OD, thank you for guys for returning to my channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, to make this banana flitters, what you're gonna need is some ripe banana. Make sure your banana is extra ripe. Make sure it's nice and brown. You're gonna need some applesauce. This is optional. You can use sweetened, non-sweetened, or you don't even have to use any. That's just optional. That's just what I'm putting in mine. You're gonna need some brown sugar. You can use white sugar as well. Either one works perfectly fine. You're gonna need salt. You're gonna need some vanilla extract, and some ground cinnamon. Also, oh, my voice is going. I don't even know. My voice is going somewhere, but it needs to come back. You need some all-purpose flour. I'm gonna use about 2 cups of that. 1 or 2 cups of that. So first thing you need to do is, oh, you see how ripe this is? This thing is breaking off. Woo! Just take these things out. There you go. What we're gonna do, we're gonna mash these bananas up. Just gonna mash it up. You see how soft that is? It's just falling apart. Wow. Man, these bananas took forever to ripen up. I had to put it in the fridge and then take it back out and put it on the counter so it could ripen a little faster. If you want more flitters, you can use more banana. Am I in frame? If you want more flitters, you can use more banana. If you want less flitters, use less banana. But I'm just using all 4 of them because that's what I'm working with. So going with a fork, let me zoom up on this. Let's zoom up on that. Okay. Cut back on the light. Okay, so I'm gonna just mash these up. You see how soft it is to mash? If you're using the bananas, if you're using these ones, it would take forever. It would be so tough. So make sure you use ripe bananas. Ripe bananas is the way to go. Yeah, my lighting sucks today. I'm just using my phone. Let's mash that up real good. And you're gonna need oil. You're gonna need some oil to fry up your plantains. To fry up your flitters. You're gonna need some oil as well. I'm gonna go in with 1 cup of sugar. You see how this brown sugar looks so beautiful? This is so nice. Just dump that in and mix it around. Man, I haven't had banana fritters in so long. I remember as a child, I would always eat these. They're sweet. If you don't like sweet, you can definitely cut back on the sugar, cut back on everything, or you can just use the applesauce. And push that up there. Yeah, you can just use the applesauce. to sweeten it up. I'm gonna just use half of this. I'm just use half of this applesauce. Woo! Yep, that's good enough. Just mix that around. Mix that around tone. This is so good already. You can mash your banana all the way out, but I like my little crunch. I like to have little banana chunks, not crunch. Little banana chunks in there. Then I'm gonna go with my cinnamon. Not too much. I think that's good enough. And vanilla. I'm gonna add a lot of vanilla in mine. You don't have to if you don't want to. All right, that's good. And I'm going with some salt. The salt is gonna bring out the flavors, make it pop. Not too much. You don't want too much salt. Definitely don't want too much salt. Like mix that around. Make sure you incorporate everything. Guys, this is a quick thing to make, okay? It's not gonna take you long. It's not gonna take you long at all. Quick, easy, and delicious. Y'all already know. So I'm going with some flour. Let me get some flour here. I'm gonna add 1 cup at a time. Let's see if I need more or not, which I'm pretty sure I am. Pretty sure I am gonna need 1 more. Just mix that in. Mix, 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 mix. All right, I'm gonna add 1 more. Okay. All right, now 1.5. That's what I'm working with. 1.5. Let's mix that around. Ooh. You don't want it too messy. Alright guys, so right here I got my temp on medium high. I got some oil in there. And here is my mixture. This looks so good. So I'm gonna just add a spoon of the mixture into my oil. You don't want your temp to be too high, but you don't want these to burn up, okay? You don't want them to burn up. And you can make them as thick as you want or as small as you want to. It's up to you. I'm gonna cut my temp just a little bit up, some more. I'm gonna let these bad boys cook up. Then I'll be right back. Yeah, man. Let me zoom up in here so y'all can see. It looks good. It looks good. What I'm gonna just cover it up and let it cook. Let it do its thing. So come on, guys. Let's check on this. It's been about 4 minutes on medium high. So let's look. Looks flippable. Just flip this over. Oh yeah. Woo. See how that look nice and brown and pretty? I'm gonna cover it up and just let the other side cook for about 3 more minutes. Yeah man, so come on. Alright guys, my teeth them are done. So let's take these out. Oh, look at the banana poking out. You see that? Beautiful. Oh man. Oh yeah. Ready. Ready. And make sure you put it on some napkin to absorb all the grease. Whoa, these bad boys look so good. They look so good. Remember, banana fritters are very fragile. So we can, whoa, this looks so good. This looks very good. I swear. So I'm gonna just add the last batch in there. Just spread this out. Go 2, 1, 2. Guys, if you want them smaller, you can definitely make them smaller. I'm just making mine big. That's how I want mine to be. So with the 4 bananas that I use, you could make, you could get 6 big flitters. Oh, this size flitters. You could get 6 of those, or possibly you could get 7, because I got a little bit left. You can scrape this together. Yeah, you can get about 7 big flitters, 4 bananas, 1.5 cup of flour. So if you want more, definitely go in with more bananas. If you want less, obviously use less bananas. If this is your first time making it, just use the 1 banana, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of flour, and just cut all the ingredients down in half or less than half. Yeah, so come back. Alright guys, so these are finished, so I'm gonna take them out. It looks so good. I'm put them on my napkin. All this oil absorb. Okay. I'm gonna let that one cook for some more. Put that over there. And I'm gonna just add in the last little bit, because nothing not going to waste. Yeah, make sure you put them on some napkin. That's the last one. Let me see. Be careful with these because they're very fragile. Very fragile and soft. I'm gonna just cover this one up. Put that to the side and sit them there. Ooh, hot. Well, let me flip these ones over so they can look like the other ones. Yes. Ow, shoot. Burning up myself. There you go. I just flipped them over. And there you go. That looks good to me. So I'm not even gonna worry about this one. That's just an extra. Let's focus on these 6 that I just made. Beautiful. So I'm not worried about this one. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share. And subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. For more awesomeness, banana flitters. This is just a little idea of what you can do with your old ripe bananas. You don't have to throw them away. You don't have to, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to waste them. You can put them to good use. Yes, sir. Alright guys, so this is the end results. Let me zoom up on that. This looks so good. I already had one, but I'm gonna have another one with y'all, okay? We are gonna share one together. Let me grab one. Here's a close-up of it. Looks so good. Let me get a bite. Ooh, still hot. Very, very delicious. Look at all the banana right here. See that? Whoa. Be mindful, it's very greasy now. Has a lot of oil in it because the banana and the flour and all that just absorb all the oil. The applesauce, the brown sugar, everything put together just brings out all the flavor. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness.